This is one of the craziest tiny houses I have ever seen. I'm Grit the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where my newsletter is free. This bad boy isn't just a tiny house. It is a beast on tracks that can conquer any terrain. It's called the Rubishack. This wooden cabin is perched on a modified truck chassis powered by a Cummins engine with nearly 150,000 miles under its belt. Now, instead of wheels, it's got 4 massive tracks that'll take you through rivers, snow, mud, and even on the beach. At 16 feet long, 7 feet wide, it's compact enough but packs a punch. Inside, you've got swivel seats from a 70s motorhome, a double bed right up front, and yeah, you heard that right, a cozy seating area in the back. Now, before you start planning your order, I've got some bad news for you. The Rubishack is just a promotional tool for Ruby Tracks, the Canadian company behind this wild creation. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. If you're not getting my newsletter already, it's real easy to get it. Just go to cyberguy.com and press that red button right there.